Hi, welcome. My name is Colleen Young. I am your child's math teacher this year, and welcome to my classroom of 2020-2021 math year. So a few things. I wanted to introduce yourself again. My name is Colleen Young. Hopefully you're in the right classroom. You should be in your child's math class. You found it all right. Very important that you should get from this. My email is cdyoung. Again, it's cdyoung. There is another C Young, but again, mine is cdyoung. Miss Courtney Young is not going to want to answer your math questions that you have, especially about calc or algebra. So make sure that is the best way to reach me these days. I am often on my emails, so we are all tech this year, and even me, scared of technology, is getting the hang of it. I have been at Fremd for 18 years, the whole time, and so a little bit about myself. This is my family. I have twin 3-year-olds, as well as a stepdaughter that just graduated from Kentucky, one that's a junior at Iowa State, and then I myself am from Ann Arbor, went to Michigan, and did my grad work at Northwestern. And now I'm here, been teaching at Fremd the whole time and loving math. And now a lot more about what the classes are studying that I'm sure we need to navigate. What are the apps we need to be familiar with? Making sure you're checking Infinite Campus, where your child's grades are. So let me direct you through my Schoology pages where you can find everything. So let's get that ball rolling on where everything is located on my Schoology pages. So will you join me and going along our adventure on Schoology? All right, we'll check back in 1 second. Hi, welcome to my 314 Algebra 2 class. I wanted to show you the Schoology page that you can access at any time. I also wanted to make sure you are constantly checking up on your kids' grades. So a few things, your kids are either in my period 3A, which starts at 10, or my period 4A, so both on the A days, which starts at 11:15. I want you to be aware of the tutoring. There is tutoring. I tutor at 9:15 on A days from 9:15 to 9:45. Now, they can always get tutoring at any time. They can access the tutoring and the academic support every single period of the day. So they can get it actually in any subject. All the subjects are listed here. For math in particular, they can go to the math folder. If they would like help in the morning, here is the morning schedule. All they have to do here is there is a math tutor, and they can select on the A day or the B day, and they then will click on the tutoring and then schedule tutoring for what time slot, and just click on the Zoom link, and that will take them then to that math tutor. And notice I am here, Miss Young, and the Zoom link right there. All right, so the next one to look at that we need to go to is the academic support. Always in the afternoon, there is tutoring as well. So there are times to go to Sign Up Genius, and on A days or B days, we have tutoring that will be available from 1:15 to 1:45. Whether it's an A day or a B day. Today was a B day, which is why you'll see all B slots. So you can sign up for the individual tutors and teachers that will have tutoring that day, and your class should show up at what class you can get tutoring in. If they need tutoring from me also, they can just email me and we can set up personal times to meet. Now let's actually go back to the class, which is 314 Algebra 2. So you can first find the course information here. Here is an outline of the syllabus. I want you to notice here, very important, if you ever need to get a hold of me, is my cdyoung@d211.org. Okay, make sure I will be available by appointments pretty much on A days as well as I have some time on B days. Okay, just the material that's needed. They really need to make sure that they have a calculator. I told them, very important, we recommend a graphing calculator. However, I told them about this free Calculate 84 to put on their other tablet or their smartphone or whatever. They cannot get it on their iPad. The school has not pushed it out in self-service, but I recommend that as a graphing calculator. A graphing calculator is not necessary, but a calculator of some sort they will need, but their iPad has that. But I love that Calculate 84. Just some things we are learning. What's up with the final exam? It only applies to second semester exam. They will be taking the 080 final exam, which is the Harper exam, and it contains multiple choice and open response. Then if they get a 70% or higher on the final, they qualify for 435, and that course will give them Harper College credit, and that can also be transferred to some other colleges. So this is just kind of showing you what their track will be for next year if they are junior versus seniors. This right here is my grading scale. Make sure you are checking their grades. I will post every day the grade that they get on their homework. So every homework assignment is posted. I will also include notes like has not submitted. You need to submit. Even if they're absent, they need to submit the homework for that day. Tests and quizzes are 60. Tests are 60, quizzes are 30. Homework and participation is 10%. I expect them to be present in class, not taking the dog out. They need to tell me if they need to go to use the restroom. They need to be participative. Then if they're having a hard time, I expect them to reach out to me or to go use the tutoring center. And again, let's make sure we're performing as if we are in school and being academically honest. Now, to go about my Schoology page. In Unit 1, we have the syllabus there. If you are ever wondering what they are doing day by day, I have it listed here. There are 2 days listed because one is an A day, one is a B day. I see your students on the A day, so it will always be the first date listed. So that is always their homework for that evening, and then it is not due until the next A day. So right now we have a test that will be on Friday, September 4th is our first test. They do have a quiz out, had a quiz already. So those grades are already in. You can check on those. I have the notes, and that is a packet, and that has all their worksheets as well. I also post my notes keys up for every single day. Within that, if they are absent, they should have no trouble catching up on what they have missed. In both my classes, I also have a TA who can catch them up as well. I have my worksheet keys up, as well as here is where they submit their assignment. They will submit every single assignment to the same place. So they will have resubmissions. If you want to know if your child has submitted, you can look at submissions and see which assignments they have submitted or not. Upcoming assignments are here. They have no upcoming assignments. As of now, I need to change the date on my homework check. So I need to make sure I get that updated. So that is just a few things. They will be taking their tests and quizzes on an app called Class Kick. We've gotten them acclimated with that, and So now that is where they will be taking it, because on that I can monitor the screen and see all of their writing at the same time. Other than that, that is our Schoology page. Make sure you are constantly checking the gradebook. If you ever have questions on anything, please feel free to reach out to me. Typically our day is Zoom notes, as well as trying to do some breakout rooms, chat with the kids, and get our homework as much completed as possible. Thank you, and have a wonderful evening.